Hello to everyone from RADE Garage. Husqvarna 701 is already great wall spot from the shelf, but still we have developed several aftermarket parts to make it even more convenient for the adventure riding and hobby readies. Let me introduce you the Lite kit for the Husqvarna 701 Enduro as well as the Supermoto. The Lite kit fits exactly in between the RG fairing kit and the OEM mask. We have designed the Lite kit completely from scratch to nicely match the design of Husqvarna 701, but also to bring new functionalities to the riders. The Lite kit is a very different concept from the fairing because it's mounted directly on the handlebars. It means it's way more simple, so we could reduce the weight and we can make it for very affordable price. But still, with the Lite kit, you get great space for your navigation device, aftermarket LED headlight, and really nice injected windshield. When designing the Lite kit for Husqvarna 701, the endurance and durability were very important parameters for us. That's why the material selection as well as the design of the Lite kit was done in a way that it is as much crash-proof as possible. The dominant of the Lite kit is the windshield designed completely by us, so you cannot get it anywhere else. It's made by injection technology, so it could have very sharp design, nicely integrating the OEM headlight, and it has also very nice rounded edges, underlining the great finishing of the windshield. The windshield is made from Lexan, which is very durable and flexible material, which is hard to crack. The Lite kit tower is made from 2 mm thick aluminum. It has closed design, so all the cables and connectors are well protected. And from the back, there is heavy-duty 4 mm thick CNC milled back plate that holds the tower on the triple clamps and ensure its great stability on the bike. The windshield as well as the headlight are mounted on the silent blocks, so it's ready to absorb some of your crashes and make sure you will come home in one piece. And one more remark regarding the wind protection. Now, the tower is mounted in a lower position, but it is also possible to mount it in a higher position, and then you increase the upper edge by 3 cm and you a little bit improve the wind protection. As said earlier, the tower has a closed design, but we have also feedback from you that time to time you need to access the connectors inside. That's why we design it in an elegant way that you just release 4 bolts that are easily accessible. And you simply release the complete front. You disconnect the headlights and then you have access to all connectors in the tower. As we travel ourselves a lot, we know how important it is to have a navigation in front of you in good viewpoint. That's why the Lite kit comes with a white crossbar. And this white crossbar is mounted on the silent blocks that prevents the vibrations going to your device. To simplify the installation of your device to the crossbar, you will get from us so-called Garmin adapter that could be mounted to vertical or one horizontal position, and you can also adjust the angle so your device in the perfect viewpoint. You can see in the cockpit there is enough space for 2 smaller devices or one 8-inch tablet. Every device needs a charging. That's why on the right side of the aluminum tower you can find the OEM socket. You can easily connect your phone or any navigation device. Let me summarize. With the RG Lite kit for Husqvarna 701, you will get more space for navigation, unique injected windshield, aftermarket LED headlight, very robust but light aluminum tower, and all that for a very competitive price. If you like it, please order on our eShop.